What's up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna do a sound check and review of the JGbike hubs. I got both boost and non-boosted version. The boost version is on my Marley, the non-boost is on the Ardor. Currently only did the rear for the Ardor because I'm running a boost front hub, a boost front fork, I'm sorry. So I have this hub here, which is the front non-boost 15 by 100. As you can see, it comes with the through axle. The quick release caps, I'm sorry. There you go. And the screwer, which is all aluminum, solid piece. Much better than the factory OEM ones. They're about 276 grams in the rear, about 160 for the front, which is light. The $80 for the pair, fast engagement. I originally bought this Novatech hub from eBay China, which took forever. I bought this literally the same day I received the bike and planned to swap the wheels off the bat, but took forever. Went a different route. I ordered a JGbike Hub on last Monday, got it Tuesday, installed by Wednesday, and since then I put 50 miles on that setup and I put 50 miles on my other setup. I mean, they spin freely, they sound great, they come in XD, HG, and microspline. And what else? I did test fit the QR caps to the rear onto the boost hubs, and it did fit the Axum, which is a boost 141. So there's a possibility that if you can get the caps from JGbike, you can have a decent setup for cheap for the Axum also. But there are 32 holes in both when I got. I believe they also come in 28. They're on Amazon, and you can also go to the website jgbike.com. They do have other stuff too. They sell drivetrain, brakes, handlebars, stem, cranks, pedals, chain rings, a lot of stuff. But yeah, look, I want to flip the camera around and do a sound check. The sound check is going to be on the Ardor, the non-boosted version. This is a Shimano drivetrain, so I believe it's 11 with a 32. Still fast enough. Yeah, I won't stop it early because it spins for a while. As you can see, it sounds good. So far, no issues at all. Didn't have any problem installing it. All the holes lined up perfectly. I was planning to do a updated video on the Ardor. I'm still deciding on what crank and what handlebar and stem to go with. I'll probably want to go with the JGbike stuff just because it matches the hub, and so far everything seems decent I got from them. I got a bleed kit for SRAMs from them too before, a while ago, and this pretty decent kit for 30 bucks. Came with everything you need, even the olive and barbs, fluid, gloves, fittings for all the different SRAMs fittings they have. So yeah, if you haven't already, subscribe, hit like if you like this video. Gonna try to do some more, I guess, technical videos or review videos. And that's it. Thanks for watching.